Welcome to the Financial Market Examiner YouTube channel, where you learn about forex, crypto, and the stocks market. Today we'll learn how to trade crypto futures on Binance. Binance is currently the largest cryptocurrency exchange by user base and trading volume. Binance is a feature-packed platform that provides access to a range of trading products and services for crypto users. By far, the platform's most popular feature is a spot exchange, which allows users to spot trade over 350 crypto assets across well over 1,000 trading pairs. Other popular offerings include its margin trading platform, Binance Launchpad, and staking feature. In recent years, Binance has also risen to become the premier derivative exchange platform, reaching a market share of 57% in June 2023. At the time of speaking, the platform clocked in at almost 1.15 million BTC, roughly $35 billion in 24-hour derivative trading volume across USD futures, and over 101.3 BTC in Coin futures. Today, the Binance Derivative Exchange supports a range of derivative types, including options, leverage tokens, as well as fixed, expiring, and perpetual futures, with trading options catering to both retail and professional traders. Perpetual trading on Binance. Due in part to their flexibility and efficiency, Binance Perpetual Futures products count among its popular offerings, and the platform now offers over 250 pairs for trading. Binance Perpetual Futures are linear margin futures contracts. They can be settled at any time. They provide traders with a simple way to bet on the direction of a market without the additional consideration that come with traditional futures, like fixed expiring dates and delivery of the underlying assets. This feature makes Binance Perpetual Futures a favorite tool for both short-term traders looking to capitalize on price volatility and long-term investors looking hedging strategies. Binance is popular among derivative traders thanks to its deep liquidity and extensive range of derivatives on offer. It's one of the few platforms to offer both fixed expiry and perpetual futures, as well as call and put options. Like most futures exchanges, Binance allows users to trade pairs with leverage, offering up to 125x leverage on some contracts with both cross and isolated margin options. How to trade pairs on Binance. Step 1. To begin trading perpetual futures on Binance, you first need to open a futures account or log into your pre-existing account. Depending on your region, you may need to complete KYC steps to verify your account before you can begin trading. Step 2. Once registered and logged in, you need to fund your derivatives account. To do so, you must deposit cryptocurrency to your wallet and then use the transfer tool to move your balance from the default fiat and spot wallet to the USD or Coin futures wallets. Step 3. With your futures account now loaded, you are ready to begin trading. Head over to Binance Derivatives platform and select the type of product you want to trade from the range of options. So from here, use the selector on the top left to either search for the market you wish to enter or scroll down to find it in the list. Click on it to open the trading interface. USD margin futures simply means collateral used is a USD peg stablecoin. In this case, USDT and BUSD. Meanwhile, coin margin futures use crypto assets as collateral, such as BTC and ETH. Step 4. With the trading interface now open, you can then go long or short on the assets using the order panel. Set your order size, entry price, and other parameters using the relevant fields, and click the buy or long button if you believe the price will go up, or sell or short if you believe the price will go down. Be sure to double check your leverage parameters before posting your order. Higher leverage comes with a higher chance of liquidation. Market orders will execute immediately, whereas limit orders will trigger if or when the specified conditions are met. Step 5. Once your order is filled, you then need to either manually close it using a market order or set a limit close order to lock in your profits or losses. Like many derivative exchanges, Binance uses the index price and moving average basis to calculate the mark price. This helps to mitigate the impact of price volatility and ensure safer trading for users. How to trade futures delivery quarterly contracts on Binance USD. Margin quarterly contracts are settled in USDT and offers contracts for BTC and ETH. For instance, the BTC USDT 230.99, also shown as BTC USDT quarterly 0929, will expire on September 29, 2023. And meanwhile, coin margin quarterly contracts offer more crypto assets and dates. For instance, the ETH/USD CM 231229 or ETH USD CM quarterly 1229 indicates that the expiration date is on December 29, 2023. 1. To trade quarterly contracts on Binance, go to Binance Futures and click USDM or Coin M. 2. Click on USDT delivery or Coin M delivery respectively. 3. Select the contract you would like to trade. This would enter into the contract page where you can place your order. How to trade options on Binance. 1. Hover on options at the top navigation bar and select the option contract you like to trade in the drop down menu. 2. For instance, let's take a look at BTC options expiring on 2023-08-123. 3. To buy or sell a put option, click on the row corresponding to the desired strike price under the puts section on the right. 4. Place your order in the trading panel on the right by selecting the order type, price, and amount. How much are futures trading fees on Binance? Binance features a tier-based fee schedule for its future products, providing fee discounts for traders that meet trading volume quotas and hold more than a specific amount of BNB coin. We trust you must have learned how to trade crypto futures on Binance after watching this video. Kindly give us your feedback on this video and also suggest what topic to bring to you. With this, we come to the end of the video for today. Kindly note that this video is not for financial advice but for educational purposes only. Kindly subscribe, share, and like after watching. Thank you.